Hello everyone, I am Jennifer, your friend. I hope you all are doing great. Let's have a quick recap of the last video. In the last video, we learned about animating bananas falling down repeatedly for 10 movements using the repeat control block. As a part of the DIY activity, you had to make them fall forever. Did you try on your own? Let's do it together. In the last code, you can just remove this repeat block along with the downward motion block like this and drag the repeat forever block in place of the repeat block and add the downward motion block inside it. Click on play. Wow, it was so easy. It's time for our next activity. In this video, we will use arrow keys to move Tobi left and right on the stage. How to do it? First, select Tobi from the sprites. Drag all the blocks out of the coding area. Select even categories of blocks. Here you will find Start on Key Pressed block. Drag it to the coding area. Here you will see many keys of the keyboard like arrow keys, spacebar and also some letter keys. If you select any particular key, that means the next code of blocks will play only after you press that key. For example, this right button click block gets played when you press the right arrow key on your device. Similarly, this left arrow block plays when you press the left arrow key, like this. We will drag one more Start on Key Pressed block. Then on one, we will select forward arrow and on the other, backward arrow. Now select motion blocks. Drag forward motion block and place it next to the block with right arrow and backward motion block next to the block with the left arrow. Click on the play button to get our code started. Now you can click on the arrow keys on your device to make Tobi move as per the key pressed. Now let's see one more event block, that is Start on Touching Object block. First, let's select bananas from the sprites and click the even category of blocks. You can find the Start on Touching Object event block here. Drag it on the coding area. It is a very special block. It helps you to communicate with other sprites and characters or perform any action when they touch each other. We want bananas to reappear from the top after Tobi catches it or touches it. Now select Tobi from the options given in the block. Select the motion category of blocks. Drag the move to the location block we saw earlier and snap it next to the Start on Touching Object block. Now place the marker anywhere on this top edge option to make bananas reappear from the top of the stage every time Tobi catches it. Let's click the play button. Move Tobi using arrow keys and try to catch the bananas. You can notice bananas reappear from the top. That was cool, right? Now it's time for your next DIY activity. In our journey to make Catch the Fruit game, you have to make bananas fall down again and again from different positions. How can you do it? Here's the hint. You can use the Go to Random Position block. In the next video, we will learn how to add music to our game. Sounds exciting? We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!